talk. We should talk. We're gonna like have a little nice conversation about Gert and Sim. Hi, how are you doing? How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Come back to New York, pizza guy. Elliot, come here. No. You want me to call my maniac? Oh, give me those. Just come here.
No fair!
Why? If you just cooperated. No! Don't hurt me! I'm gonna hurt you. Like kind of like. Wonderful. I just saw you. I'm nowhere. I tricked you! Ha ha! Yippee! Haha.
But why didn't you tell me?
Because I'm magical. I'm a magical 0 man. I'm very magical. Yes, I am.
You are not the main character. I am.
No, I am. Why are we keep fighting out who the hell is the main character? Who the fuck's the main character? Nobody knows. It's a mystery.
Alex.
You know the main character, dog. Bro's mad. Bro's mad. I'm going to. Hey! Bro can't catch me out the gingerbread man. What? What? Glow, it's his ability. How the hell is that cheating? That's the whole entire point of having a god. Wait on for a second. Bro. Oh, hi! Hi, Cookie!
I was so close though.
I think that's all the things what I'm gonna do. We're gonna be doing recording. So I'll see you homies in the next one. And remember, be epic. Don't make the mistake of marrying your own mom. Bye bye, Pookie.